Hi guys, in today's video I thought I would take you with me to the gym, show you a little bit of my workout that I do first thing in the mornings, 6:30 a.m. every day, well not weekends, and then I'll take you to one of my favorite places for a coffee and dessert, which I only treat myself once a week, and I'll take a walk and bring you along with kind of my favorite little area here in DUMAGUETE, so stick around. Alright guys, just doing my cool down on the treadmill, and we are off to the take a walk on the favorite part of DUMAGUETE here. But first, I need to grab me a coffee. So let me tell you, these Keurig machines come in handy. Today's flavor, hazelnut. So I use Truvia or stevia. I've gotten rid of regular sugar. A little coffee with my milk. My assortment of vitamins that I take in the morning. And I'm going with a hard-boiled egg for breakfast, 2 of them. All right guys, coffee. And then we're gonna head out and I'll take you on that walk and talk I promised. All right guys, so we're at our favorite place. It's called Buttery. It's behind me, but before we go there, I'm gonna take a little walk. There's a lot of great little restaurants and other places here, and I will flip the camera around, but first I'm gonna safely cross the street here and just take you for the walk here, show you the sights. I took people's suggestions and decided to walk facing traffic this time. It is a hot day, so I'll have definitely burned off the calories by the time I've gotten to my destination. So this is a north part of DUMAGUETE here. You got churches. I mean, you still got some little bit of banana trees and stuff. There's the mode of transportation for DUMAGUETE. For me, this is the downfall of DUMAGUETE, is the transportation. So, the tricycles. There's no regular taxis in DUMAGUETE. They do have Grab service, but it's a Grab tricycle like that. And they're highly unreliable. You can hardly ever get one. I think I've tried a few times and I was unsuccessful both times trying to get a Grab trike. They do like to overcharge you too when they see that it's a foreigner. So this north end runs parallel with the boulevard, and to me it's the better area of DUMAGUETE. It's a little more quiet, and it's also got some nice hotels and some great restaurants down in this area. Hey, we have sidewalk, which is nice. Would be nice to have some tree cover. A lot of tricycles. Here's another restaurant called Fika. Now, in Italian, that's a bad word. I'll let you guys Google that yourself. Something to do with a woman's anatomy. Well, this way to the Henry Resort, and some fruit stand. It's got a meat shop, a couple of restaurants, Korean restaurant. I'm going to go to a point called Lorenzo's, which is a hotel and a restaurant. And there is like a Western type deli. You can get meats and cheeses, steak, some Western imported goods. This looks pretty cool. We'll show you that on the way back. What's going on here? It's like Calamansi. Alright, so this is Lorenzo's. It's also the Bali Oriental Hotel, which is one of my recommended hotels that you can find on my webpage. On the main page, you can click on the link and get a list of my recommended hotels all throughout the Philippines. If you're unsure of where to book or where to stay, then check that out. And anyway, here's where I'm going to cross. I'm going to do my best to cross. Facing traffic. And we will end the video showcasing what Maya and Nora and myself are eating for our cheat day. We get one cheat day per week. That other place I was showing you. Looks pretty nice, actually. Okay. Again, here's this other restaurant. I think it's a Filipino style restaurant, Filipino food. Definitely warm out, but yeah, this section of DUMAGUETE is actually my favorite. Again, if you look that way, that's the beyond this is the boulevard, the northern end of the boulevard, and this runs parallel with it. And so this place over here has about 2 or 3 of the hotels that I recommend staying at. Easy to catch a tricycle going places. The main boulevard is just way too busy. And that's where all the tourists hang out, all the expats. I mean, over here, you don't really see a lot of other foreigners, so it's just a bit more relaxed, more of a Filipino feel. Almost that buttery. Oh, that bottle of water is gonna taste good right now, along with the cheesecake. You got these little laundry, look at this. This is where you're walking. Sidewalk opens up into a big hole. Good thing you're not walking at night and paying it, and make sure you pay attention. You never know what is going to be in front of you. Could be a big hole in the ground. Could be, you never know. Yeah, that's another issue I have with the Philippines is the sidewalk situation. This area is not bad, other than the big hole in the ground. Okay. So we're just about there, a little side street. There's the sign. All right, here it is, buttery. So let's go in and end this video with some water, and Maya's probably having coffee and some of their desserts, which, like I said, is probably some of the best I've ever had in the Philippines, to be honest. So let's go through. Hey, here's Maya and Nora. Where should I sit? This side? Okay. Nora, how is that? Yummy? What do you have, babe? I knew already she was going to get the coffee and I got this. Yes, and I'm getting the same. Maya put me in the corner. Guess I'm in trouble.
I'll give you the biggest piece.
Oh, okay, thank you. All right, let's try this. Of course, I've had it many times, but never on camera. Cheat day never tasted so good.
Yeah.
Well, guys, another walk and talk video, a little bit of a peek into my daily life. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.